everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am doing a review on a brand new product for me, guys. And this is around nail care, natural nail care. So I'm very excited to bring this to you guys. I was contacted by this company based out of Ontario, Canada, and they asked me if I will be interested in reviewing their product and introducing them to you guys. I told them I will be more than happy to do so. So this company, and do not let the name mislead you, okay? Because even though it says Soap Stories, they are looking to focus more on Soap Stories, a Soap Stories nail kit. A nail care nail kit, and that's where they're going with this. So I'm about to show you what this is all about. But before I open it, I want to tell you a little bit about them. Like I said, they are based out of Canada. I will have all the links in their tags and Instagrams and social media links down in the description bar, so you guys can go and check them out. So this is how it was shipped to me. And what this consists, this is a nail care kit of a balm, nail oil, and a buffer for natural shine. And it came nicely packaged in this very pretty linen bag, or muslin bag if you would, which is reusable. It's got the double strings right here, and it had this little tag here with this very pretty gold elastic strap, and it says, you can see here, natural shine nail kit. Very pretty, very fancy. It's a very elegant and very natural looking package. So let me go ahead and open this up, and here you'll find the nail balm. And these guys, they come and they have different scents. I didn't know what they were going to surprise me with, so they sent me the olive and sage scented hand balm, the cuticle oil. Check it out. It looks like one of those fluorescence things that you snap in half and they glow in the dark. And then here is the buffer that I will talk to you about. Again, take a look at the packaging on that. Very elegant, right? And so inside this bag you also find this instruction card that I will go ahead and read to you, because yes, I do want to tell you more about the products. Also, with this bag came this card right here with their logo. Very pretty. Look at the watercolors. Is that not a nail art inspiration right there? Of course, their website. And then you open this up, and it has like a little thank you letter right here, and at the bottom they include a 10% discount coupon that you may use for future purchase. And I will find out, I'm sure if this code, I will find out if it's okay for me to share that code, any of these, and if they will be valid for you guys to use them. So let me go ahead and read off of this card to tell you about the product. So these are made out of natural herbs and oils, and they use responsibly well-crafted herbs. They keep the oil in cold preserved oils. They are holistically balanced and not tested on animals. So I know a lot of these things are important for a lot of you. And let me go ahead and also read you here. So we have the Natural Shine Nail Buffer. That's this one right here. It says, this newly designed buffer promotes healthy growth and circulation of your nails with 4 unique features. It's got the smooth strip, and that's this one right here. And I am going to give this a try so you guys can see it. And it's to remove any remaining ridges on nails. For best results, use a back and forth motion for 3 to 4 seconds per nail. Then the number 2 section, that is this one right here. It says the buff strip is to buff each nail for 2 to 3 seconds to stimulate circulation. Repeat every few weeks as necessary. And then you have the step 3, the shine strip, and this is for parallel glossy nail finish. Buff each nail 5 to 10 seconds for a shine that won't fade for weeks. And then from there, after you finish buffing your nails, you use the natural cuticle oil. Just pamper yourself with our specialty cuticle oil and give your skin some much needed TLC. And then the balm, the hand balm. It's a lightly scented treatment infused with vitamin E and green tea combined to create the perfect smoothing body butter for even this most sensitive dry skin. So, and I'm not reading everything here, but yes, I'm gonna go ahead and give these a try and give you guys my opinions. It sounds like it's a very good way to take care of your skin, cuticles, and nails in a very natural way. And so I will go ahead and I will have to remove this nail polish that I've had for a few days now and give you my opinions. And I have not even opened this to see what it's going to, this scent is going to be like, and see how I feel about it, and see how soft it might be, or how it might appeal to my palate. So I'll be right back. So I am back, and my nails are as bare as they can get. Nothing on. I removed my nail polish and washed with soap and water. So now we can move on. Let me go ahead, and first thing that we're going to use is this buffer, and then it comes wrapped with this plastic. So let's go ahead and remove that. And you can see how these are labeled. So this is the Shine 3, 1, and this is number 2. This one here, oh, so this is just another, this surface here is the same feel as the number 3. So you have 2 sections of the number 3, which is the one that brings out the final shine. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this. I don't know if you can tell there, if I put this straight up to the front, in front of the camera lens, I don't know if that you can see it, but if I turn it sideways, you can tell here, see how it is labeled with step 1. And I don't know if you can, not going to be able to see that texture. So this is the part that we want to do first on our nails. Oh, that feels very nice. Not very rough at all. But yes, this is, I mean, you will want to do this as often as it is recommended there. You know, it's your natural manicure that you want to do on your nails. It is just as important. We nail artists love to keep our nails polished and keep them decorated, but it is important to take care of your natural nails. That is the base of everything, right? And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I used to keep a gel overlay for over 2 years. I am now in 15th month without a gel overlay, guys. I went in January of 2017. I removed my gel overlay, and I have been gel overlay free since then. I thought I was gonna go back to it, but I did not. How about that? I'm very, very pleased with the strength of my nails. They're not super strong. I could bend them, but I do take care of them, as you can see, and I am very proud of my natural nails now. So I'm very glad to be off of the gel overlay and having to do all those refills that I have to do every couple of weeks. Okay, so I went ahead and did both hands. Now for the second step, I am going to buff each nail for 2 to 3 seconds to stimulate circulation, and that will be step 2, which will be this one right here. And for the final part, here we go. This is going to be the fun part, because this is where we're going to try to bring the natural shine off our nails. So let's move on to that. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did both hands. Now I want you to see the natural shine that I brought out of my nails, and there you can see. And of course the skin is very dry around my cuticles, because I have the next step that I'm going to do is apply the beautiful scented oil and cream, or the balm. And yes, here they are. I like how the block works really well. It makes for having a good grip, in working with it, so I like that. And yeah, so that worked really well. And yes, so that final shine, you may use it from both of these white areas. So let's open up this cuticle oil. I'm so looking forward to smelling. Oh, it looks like it's already, bristles are already loaded with some. And oh, that is very, I know it's disappearing from the camera because I'm bringing this up to my nose, guys, and it's very, that is very soft scented. Okay, I wasn't sure what to expect here, but there we are. Go ahead, and I do like to do not just my cuticles, but I also do the inside of my nails. Okay, so this is after I applied some cuticle oil, and really guys, you do not need a whole lot of this, okay? A little bit of it goes a long ways. There you have it, cuticle oil. Let's close this up. And the lotion, or this balm, as you can see, I've not even opened it. Beautiful packaging, isn't it? So yes, it is sealed. Remember not to use your nails as tools. Let's smell this now. Oh, it's so soft. I keep bringing it up to my nose because it's really not strong at all. That is, it's such a soft, clean scent. All right, let's try this out and see what kind of texture it has. Nice color. Gosh, it almost looks like coconut cream. It's so nice and white. Okay, so you saw how much I applied there, and that little bit looks to feel enough for both hands. And it doesn't feel, it doesn't have that greasy feel residue at all. No. Okay, very good. I do like this. I like this very much, guys. Okay, well, let's close this up and go ahead and conclude this video. So here are this is the final result of my natural nails on this quick manicure using nothing more but these beautiful products from the Soap Stories or Natural Shine nail kit. What do you guys think? I really think I am going to include this with my current nail routine. I really love that lotion. I really recommend these, guys. I think you will be very pleased. By the way, this tube of the lotion, this is a 2-ounce tube, so it's, yeah, it is travel friendly. It's within the 3 ounce that you may stick it in the bag where you could take it in a plane and travel with it. And I mean, what can I say about the packaging? This will make a beautiful gift. Even if you already have your personal routine, I think you'll be very pleased on adding this to your nail care routine. It will make a beautiful gift. All natural ingredients. I mean, how awesome is that? Like I said, check them out. Go down to my description bar and check out their links and their social media. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer to the best of my ability. Remember, I am totally new to this product, and I would like to thank Soap Stories for sending me this product to test out and review for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.